Today we're gonna make this refreshing, healthy cucumber and dill salad. To get started on making our cucumber and dill salad, we have 1 cucumber here. I'm gonna clean this. So we've cleaned our cucumber, now we're gonna cut it in circles, just cutting it a little on the diagonal. We're gonna add our cucumber to this bowl right over here, and then we're gonna do some fresh dill. Take the dill, chop it up, add our dill to our cucumbers. So simple, refreshing, delicious. Adding a little bit more. I'm not finely chopping it, just do it nice and big. And we're gonna do some red onion. So I'm doing half red onion. We'll add our red onion to this. This is a perfect salad to do if you grow some cucumbers in your garden. That would be perfect for a nice summer dish. So we have some white wine vinegar, and I'm adding some olive oil to that. And of course, salt and pepper. Whisk that together. Add that to our cucumbers. Give this a nice toss. The dill smells amazing. And we'll transfer that right over to our platter. Nice refreshing salad. I'm gonna add some more dill to the top. And this is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.